I am so excited to share something with you that I've been teaching students for years, the fundamentals of vegan cooking. Over the next series of lessons, you're going to learn about the 5 vegan food groups: vegetables, fruit, grains, beans, nuts and seeds. That's it. So we're gonna learn how to cook them, how to flavor them, and how to make this incredibly accessible. To learn about things like umami, which we're gonna have a whole lesson on. To learn about how to create textures and bring in different colors so that we feast with our eyes first, that we get the satiety and enjoy the flavors and textures that we've had in meals that we grew up with, and we're gonna learn the plant-based and vegan way to do it. If you were here right now, you would smell what I smelled growing up when my dad was making ham and beans. I'm making mushrooms and beans, and I'm getting that family memory. And the reason I'm taking you on this journey is because it was my journey. I didn't start cooking until I was 45 years old. Suddenly I go vegetarian and then vegan. I started to explore and become an enthusiast and learn how to create meals that just come together easily. You're gonna notice that these recipes will fly by. I don't want you to spend your life in the kitchen. I want you to eat beautiful, healthy, vegan food and food that you feel like you can put together in a matter of minutes. This course is designed for you, the home cook. This is about cooking with intuition. It's about starting with the recipe, but finding out what works for you. It's about the simplicity. You don't need to be a chef, and this will not be complicated. You probably have most of the ingredients in your house right now. We don't want to make this expensive. It's really simple to use the basics of the 5 vegan food groups, pile on the flavor, but doing it from a place of compassion to you, to the planet, and to all beings. That's what you're in store for over the next series of lessons. I'm JL Fields, and I'm cooking with compassion.